Reconciling the AP and GL accounts. We're going to reconcile the AP balance in GL account and the trial balance summary report. To complete this process, we'll run and review the AP balance by GL account, then review the balances for the financial period on the trial balance summary report, and compare and reconcile the AP balances in the AP and GL accounts. To begin with, go to the Payables workspace and open the AP balance by GL account report form. On the Report Parameters tab, go to the Report Format field and select Account Summary from the drop-down menu. The branch location and the financial period will appear by default. Clear the Include Applications checkbox and click Run Report. You can now review the AP balance on the generated report. Next, we will generate the Trial Balance Summary report. To do so, go to the Finance workspace and open the Trial Balance Summary report form. On the Report Parameters tab, verify the branch location and make sure that the ledger type is selected as Actual. Ensure that the Suppress Zero Balances checkbox is selected. Now that all the details are filled in, click Run Report. You can now review the AP balance on the generated report. The AP balances in the GL account and the Trial Balance Summary report are equal, so the AP and GL accounts can be considered reconciled. Let's review the step to reconcile the AP and GL accounts if the amounts were not equal. Go to the Post Transactions form and verify that all batches have been posted to the GL. Next, verify that there are no transactions posted to the 20,000 Accounts Payable account by other modules. For this, go to the Finance workspace and open the Transactions for Account report form. Make sure that the ledger type is selected as Actual and the module field is empty. Click the search icon in the Account field and select the account you need to generate the report for. Now go to the Additional Sort and Filters tab. Click the plus icon under Additional Filtering Conditions to add a new row. In the added row, select GL Batch Module in the Property field. Set the condition as Does Not Equal and the value as AP. This filter will return any transactions posted by modules other than the AP module. Finally, select the Run Report button. Review the generated report to see if the AP balances reconcile.